process of trimming this crepe myrtle, and I was looking at Granny's garden, and she showed a excellent video on how to prune crepe myrtles. There is a saying of crepe murder, and that is not what I want to do to this crepe myrtle. So basically what I've been doing is, if you look at this one, I've been taking off the twiggy branches, and right up here at the top I just clipped that off. Right along in here is a good spot to cut, but there is a lot of twiggy growth. For instance, this one and all of this stuff. So basically it's going to look bare. This stick is going to look bare, and I'm gonna take all the twiggy stuff off, and I'm gonna do that with my pruners. And if there's any dead rubbing, like these two are rubbing together, I will eliminate one. But that's pretty much what it's going to be. I will show you what it looks like after I'm finished. The crepe myrtle is finished, and all the twiggy growth is taken off of the limbs. Now, I believe I understand the reason why landscapers or people in maintenance are doing this bush incorrectly, is because it's all about money. It's all about time, and this took me a good 30-40 minutes to do it correctly. And people are about getting it done quickly so they can go on to the next job, and it's just easier to take a hedge trimmers and just chop, and you end up with still a lot of, now I did leave one here. This is an example. This needs to be cut off. Can you see that? So I would go to the node here and cut right above it. But like I was saying, they don't have the time or the patience, and it's all about money. It's about getting to the next job as quickly as possible. So they're not going to spend 35-40 minutes on doing this, even though that's the right way to do it. You see a lot of the crepe myrtles topped so badly, and that's what I'm believing is the reason. I think this look is so nice. It took time, but it looks so nice, and I can't wait to see what it looks like this year. Thank you so much, Granny, for producing that video, and it has really helped me a lot, and I can't wait. I'm going to put some of this rose tone around it, and yeah, I will show you the update.
You know you're excited when you come home and do your own crepe myrtle. This is the result. I'm very excited.